Are you a young chef, feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or ready to give up? My name is Saulo, born and raised on the coast of Kenya. I've spent over 10 years working in a 5-star restaurant, perfecting my craft. In an a la carte kitchen, the pressure, the heat, the long hours, nothing has ever been easy. I've worked with highly skilled chefs from around the world, mastering cuisine from France, Italy, India, and the whole Africa. Every challenge, every struggle shaped who I am today. But I chose to retire early, to follow something bigger, my dream. Today, I am the CEO of SFC Saulo Fresh and Crispy, a brand built on love, passion, and real experience. So, to every young chef out there, let my story be your inspiration. Let it be your wake-up call. Because if I made it through the pressure, so you can. I'll be sharing my full journey on how I became a chef on my YouTube channel. Stay ready. This is my story.